Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this beautiful quick mill Vitrano espresso machine, and let's go ahead and pull a shot. Excuse me, Qm67. So we get a nice shot of espresso with good crema, right around 9 bars, which is what we want. Test the steam. I forgot to turn the steam boiler on, so I'll do that and then we'll continue the video. Okay, now we're up to pressure, and let's go ahead and test the steam. Nice strong steam. Test the hot water. Nice strong hot water. So thank you for watching with Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our videos and hit the bell. Thank you.